Are you or someone you know contemplating divorce and what it all entails? The process of a divorce can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Join us for Second Saturday Divorce Workshop. We're discussing many facets of the process.
You will get a chance to meet with divorce attorneys, certified divorce financial analysts, certified divorce lending professionals, certified divorce real estate experts, mediators, and more.
Let us introduce you to the team of professionals who are bringing Second Saturday to Colorado Springs. Hi, I'm Keisha Mace, a certified divorce real estate expert. About 2 years into business, I saw an uptick in divorcing clients looking to sell their homes. Once I started to work in the field, it became very clear that divorcing homeowners have a different set of needs from the average homeowner, and that this community was underserved. I have a passion for helping people navigate onto the next chapter, as well as being a resource and serving my community.
Hi, I'm Sandy Catrone, and I'm a certified divorce lending professional. I focused my practice on helping divorcing homeowners make a more informed decision regarding their home equity solutions and help the divorce team identify any potential conflicts between the divorce settlement, the mortgage, and the real property.
I'm Brianna Besky, a financial advisor and a certified divorce financial analyst. I help clients with the information needed to choose the most suitable investment products and services for their specific financial situation by understanding your unique needs and goals. We look forward to seeing you at our next Second Saturday workshop.